Hey everyone, we've had a busy past few weeks as we have been celebrating with Silver Dollar City and their new Fire in the Hole ride. In this episode, we're bringing you fun perspectives of the ride with point of view POV videos coming at you right after we roll that intro. All right, guys, we are excited to bring you these POV videos. A few days before the grand opening of Fire in the Hole, we had a chance to experience the ride and celebrate with the media, as well as the Silver Dollar City employees. This first POV was released by Silver Dollar City that day, and it gives a great look at the new Fire in the Hole ride. So let's check it out.
The ball knobbers have set the whole town ablaze. Go!
Hatchet! I'm gonna tan your hide!
Chickens! Why those half-breed chickens? Wiley, drop that dynamite or I'll have to shoot.
Go ahead, Marshall. You couldn't hit the broadside of a barn. Ow!
Get after those ball knobbers and stop that fire.
Red Flanders? Get back here and put on your pants!
I can't, Sadie. I ain't got no pants no more. The dang ball knobbers stole them.
Stole them? What in the city hell would they want with your pants?
They don't call me Bugs for nothing. Don't worry, they don't bite. Fudge.
Hurry! The ball knobbers are gonna blow up the bridge!
You've got great over here.
Don't mess up my new pants, you ornery
Pack
fool.
them bundles under the dresser.
Can't you even tie a ding-dang knot?
Hurry!
What's the matter, Bugs? You chicken?
Watch out, you dang fool! You're gonna fall! Now look at what you done!
Uh-oh, I think I'm stuck. I can't reach.
Ooh, bridge ain't gonna hold. Bye-bye.
Bugs and Patches, we foiled your plot, and now we're using your dynamite to blow up the water tower and put out the fire.
Don't throw that switch! A train's coming that way!
Tower's gonna blow! Fire in the hole! Thank you, heroes. We couldn't have caught those good-for-nothing ball knobbers without you. Give yourselves a big old pat on the back. You deserve it. And it'll also put out any stray sparks. So long.
We truly hope you all enjoyed that look at the new Fire in the Hole. Now, we have mentioned the Media Day. If you would like to see more about that event and see the celebration from that day, we have a full video that you can check out in our video library, along with a lot of other great recommendations for fun, family-friendly things to do in Branson. And if you find our channel helpful, we would appreciate if you guys would give us a like and subscribe to our channel because we would love to stay connected with you all. Now, I had the opportunity to ride Fire in the Hole with my good friend Satirah from Satirah Loves Branson. If you guys don't follow her yet, you need to go check out her socials. She gives a lot of great recommendations and reviews for things to see, do, and eat in Branson. And anytime that we can get together with her, it is always a good, fun time. So take a look at our fun POV video as we ride together through Fire in the Hole.
Oh my gosh, I love this ride. I love the details that they have
It's
all
like
over.
driving through a piece of art.
True. Art that's on fire.
Ball knobbers have set the whole town ablaze.
This guy might be my new favorite firefighter.
Yes, he's great.
Yes.
Oh, everything's on fire.
You could hit the broadside of the barn.
I find something new
Every
every
time.
time I ride it.
You have to write it like 10 times and you're still not gonna get it all.
Great.
Oh, knobbers, all of them.
I love her.
Yes.
I feel like there's much more time to see everything, like as much as you can in this.
Yes. The scenery is incredible.
Yeah,
They've really done a great job at reimagining this.
I totally agree.
And there's air conditioning when it's hot and heating when it's cool.
We like that. We like that.
Now look at what you done. I think I'm stuck.
Wow. Look at the guy
Favorite
in the
bald knobber over there.
Yeah, the bald knobbers. That's great. I love that they kept with the original theming. They just built on it.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, here we go.
Got him. Got him. Oh no!
Train's coming that way.
Don't do it! The train. You can hear it. The train! I only got a little bit of sprinkles.
Just a little bit. I got some in my eye.
A little sprinkles.
Thank you, heroes. We couldn't have
Oh,
caught
that's a
those
real
good
person,
for
right?
nothing
Yes.
ball knobbers without.
And
Give
they
yourselves
still
a
have
big old
Grandpa's
pat on the
foot.
back. You deserve it. And
He's up
you'll
there.
also put out any stray stars.
What a fun experience, and we hope that you all have a chance to visit Silver Dollar City very soon. If you have any questions or you need any recommendations, please leave us a comment down below and check out our video library. Don't forget to subscribe to the Branson fam. We appreciate you all for watching, and until our next adventure, fam, we'll catch y'all later.